D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hello everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is how to ponytail on short, medium 4C natural hair. So, if you want to learn how to achieve this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need a brush, Eco Styler gel, edge control, water, ribbons, and some Marley braid. Start off by spritzing some water around the perimeter of your hair. This is to ensure that the gel will have a better hold. Now, take some Eco Styler gel and spread it around the perimeter of your hair. Take your brush and work that product into your hair. So, since my hair is still relatively short, I use this string method to ensure that I will hold as much hair as possible. Yep, you guessed it, more gel for me. Short hair problems, y'all. Again, everyone is entitled to apply however much product they desire. Now I'm gonna wrap a headscarf so that my hair can dry. Okay, this was about 1 hour later. Okay, so my hair was almost dry here. Take your ribbon and place it under the Marley braid. Then, loop the ribbon to create a knot. Tie the Marley braid onto your bun. Now for the ribbon style. You will place the ribbons one by one under each other to create your desired look. Repeat the same process until you reach the end. For an easier ribbon placement, tie the ribbons once around your fingers, then onto the Marley braid. For the ends, I used a black hair elastic instead of a ribbon. Do you know what time it is? It's lay your edges time. And there you have it, how to ponytail on short, medium 4C natural hair.
I whip my hair back and forth, put this in my hair, put this in my hair, put this in my hair, but I still look good.
Thank you for watching. Did you like what you just saw? Well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!